Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to book Qatar Airways ticket online. Down below in the description you will find a direct link to this website. You just have to click on it. And now I will show you how to book for a flight. You can book for more things like hotels, cars, etc. But here I will just focus on a flight. So here you have some options. You have the return, one way, and the multi-city. But here in my case I will go for the one way. Now I will choose the destination that I will travel from. I will choose Alexandria in Egypt. Then I will choose the destination that I want to travel to. And I will travel to Albury in Australia. And you should enter the date. So here you will have to choose only one date. I will choose 21 March, for example. And if you have your dates flexible, you can choose this option and put a specific range. But here in my case, I will just uncheck it, then click on continue. And now go to this section and choose the number of passengers and the type of the class. So I will choose the economy. And now I can add the number of passengers. Here you have the adults, childs, and infants. And when you click on this I sign, it will show you more data about this category of passengers. So here it tells you exactly what does it mean. And now I will just book for one passenger, then click on confirm. And you can book using Avios or add a promo code. Just enter the promo code here. And after that, go and click on search flights. And after that, it will show you here all the available options, including all the dates that are near to the date that you have chosen before. So I have chosen 21 March. It is not available. There are no flights available in this date. So I can go for any one of these options. You can even click on business first if you want to go for the first class. Now I will go for this trip. So here it will show you more options. Here you have the economy and business. And here it tells you all the details about the flight. Just click on this option. And here you'll find all details, how long will it take, and who is going to be the captain of this flight, etc. So I will choose this one. And here you'll find many classes and many offers. You have the economic class, economy convenience, economy comfort, and business comfort. I'll use this one because it's fair to me. Then click on confirm. You'll have to wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, you'll see here this page. Now you have to click on continue to contact details. You'll have to click on edit and add the title, add the gender, first name, last name on the passport, and add all the necessary information and data from your passport. After that, click on continue to contact details. And you can choose between different payment methods. And after you finish all these stuff, you can confirm for the ticket and you will get the ticket online. They will send it to you through the email. That's pretty much it. Support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.